Gravedigger, we need your help. Villains, dinosaurs, and sharks have kidnapped the Toy Story crew and the Monsters, Inc. gang. Can you help them?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oh no, the dinosaurs have buried 2 of the Toy Story characters inside the snow. Are you ready, monster trucks?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Spidey gang?
Yeah.
For this challenge, we choose Ghost Spider. Gravedigger, who do you choose?
Hot dog, gangster, and monster mutt.
You chose Monster Mutt, Gangster, and Hot Dog.
Yeah.
All right, Monster Mutt. All right, Gangster. All right, Hot Dog, let's go. Come on, Gravedigger. Vroom.
And if you win the challenge, you will get to open one of the Hot Wheels surprise bags.
Go, Ghost Spider. Whoa, she got it. Vroom. Go, Monster Mutt. Whoa, get him. Get him. Good job.
Go, Gravedigger!
All right, Hot Dog and Gangster on the count of 3 into the snow to save him. Whoa, Gangster did it. Get in there, Gangster. Come on, Hot Dog. Boom, get in there. Oh, who's inside?
Hot dog and gangster.
Oh, can you get inside, Dino, and help them find their characters? Oh, we're going to have to wash them off. Where are they? You found them! You did it, Ghost Spider and Monster Trucks! You saved Woody and Bo Peep! Alright, let's open our first surprise Hot Wheeled bag. See what's inside. Can you get it, Dean? Oh, there we go. Looks like we got... Wow, it's a little red launch car. Can we see it? Oh, wow, and it comes with its own little bag of slime. So cool. All right, Dino, load up the rescue vehicle. It's Red from Cars. Red, can you bring him back to Disney World? Let's go. Get away from those dinosaurs. Hurry. Roll up. Get him, Red. Get him back to Disney World. Oh, they made it home to their Disney World family. Bo Peep and Woody. Oh no, the sharks have put Buzz Lightyear and Rex into the volcano rock water. Can we help them?
Yeah.
All right, let's go back to headquarters. For this challenge, we need Spin. Where are you, Spin? There he is. All right, let's go. Gravedigger, who do you choose?
Dragonoid, Megaret, and 5 Alarm.
Whoa, you pick Dragonoid, 5 Alarm, and Mega Rex.
Smash and roar!
All right, go down the ramp, Mega Rex. Vroom, vroom. There he goes. Come on, Gravedigger. Come on, Dragonoid, you can do it. And 5 Alarm, let's go, boys. Go, Spin. Get him. Get him. Yes, run him over. Knock him out. Good job, Spin, you did it. Go, Dragonoid, get those sharks. Get them out of here. Good job. 5 Alarm, into the water. Yes, get him. Come on, Mega Rex, you can do it. Get him out. Save Buzz and Woody. Get him out of the water. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Get those octopus out. Good job. Oh, there goes the stingray. Out of the water. Keep going. You can get him out. You can save him. Wow, here comes Buzz. He's saved. What about Rex? Good job, boy.
This is not good.
Buzz and Rex are safe. All right, we get to open our second Hot Wheel blind bag. What did the monster trucks win for this challenge? Ooh, let's see. We got another bag of slime, and this time we got the blue launch car. Whoa, that really launched. Come on, Red, get him back to Disney World. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Into the tunnel.
Into the tunnel, come on, Red. Hurry. Oh, man. Hurry, Red, back to Disney World. Get them back with their friends. Oh, back to Disney World where they're nice and safe and happy. Oh, no. Electro and Green Goblin and the other villains have buried Mike Wazowski and Sulley and the Green Blob. We need to help them. This is a job for Spidey. All right, Gravedigger, who do you pick?
Megalodon, Deldery, Max D.
Oh, Double Derby, Max D, and Megalodon.
Yeah.
All right, down the ramp, boys. Oh, there he goes. Let's go. Come on, guys. We can do it. Go. Go, Spidey. Hurry. Whoa. There he goes. Good job, Spidey. Go. Come on, let's go. Oh, he got him. Way to go. Broom, broom, broom. Get him, Maxie. Get Stink Puff. You can do it. And Slimer. Wait. Megalodon, can you go in the Jello and get them out? Help them. Go through it. You can do it. Push them out. Oh. Broom. Did you get them?
Yeah.
Wow. We got them. Sully and Mike. All right, let's see what's in our last Hot Wheels surprise bag. Dino, what's inside? Reach in there and get it. Whoa. Another blue car launcher and slime. Come on, Brave. Get Mike and Sulley. Load them up. Get them back to Disney World. Hurry. Get them in Disney World with their friends. Wow. We did it. They're safe and happy at Disney World.
Thank you all my monster trucks and other challenge, flying challenge, and thank you the Spidey crew. Bye bye, Facebook. Subscribe to my channel.